What is going on, guys? Welcome back. KB Road to the Show. Hope everybody had an awesome 4th of July weekend. I was doing a lot of camping, so that's why I didn't really live stream this week and didn't post too many videos. But I'm back this week. We will definitely get some more videos out for you guys, and we'll go back to live streaming. But had an awesome weekend. The 4 B's of the 4th of July. Beer, barbecue, bros, and bombs. That's right, fireworks. Oh my god, so many fireworks this weekend. I live in Michigan. Last year they legalized like all the big fireworks that you can get, the big mortars and all that kind of stuff. So spent some money, bought some fireworks. Went to a few fireworks shows. Actually, our campground that we stay at had a pretty big show on Saturday or Friday night. That was pretty awesome. So definitely digging the fireworks. But now that 4th of July is over, please stop shooting fireworks. Oh my god. Ever since they legalized fireworks in Michigan, you hear them almost every single night, and it's crazy. You're only supposed to shoot them like a few times a year, but people decide to shoot fireworks off constantly. It's unbelievable. But had a great weekend. Hopefully you guys all had a great weekend. If you did something fun, leave a comment in the comment section below, and let me know what you guys were up to over 4th of July weekend. But I definitely plan to start streaming again. We will kick off a live stream maybe Tuesday night, but definitely Wednesday night. So keep an eye out for that one. KB's doing okay. My batting average goes up and then it goes down and then it goes up. I'm having some big hits, but I'm also having a lot of times where I'm not doing anything. And you could see in the first at bat, I am definitely now on Hall of Fame difficulty, so that is starting to become really the reason why I think that I'm not hitting as well. Obviously, when you press too much, when you're not hitting, that just leads you to less hitting, if that makes sense. So when you're doing bad or doing not as good as you want to, especially for me, I start to press way too much. So swinging at pitches that I normally don't swing at, not taking any pitches, going after balls out of the strike zone, and all that stuff leads to poor performance and less of a batting average. So I think right now my batting average is in like the 260s or something like that. I didn't really get to catch to see what it's actually at, but I know it's below 300, which is funny because you go into this game and that's my second home run of the game. So like I said, there's games where I do really, really well, and then there'll go a stretch of games where I do really, really bad. So definitely need to work on my patience and swinging at pitches that make sense to swing at. And that's what I've told in the past. If you watch, if you go to my page right now, my YouTube page, the featured video is my batting advice, tips and tricks and whatnot video. And in there, I talk about the whole time is patience at the plate, and it's very hard to do. It's one of those things that you just have to play a lot to get used to doing it. But you have to take pitches. You have to take pitches. You have to be able to read pitches. You learn how to read pitches. Learn how to decide if a ball is going to be a ball or a strike. Determine what type of pitch is it going to be? Is that pitch coming at me right now a fastball, or is that pitch coming at me a changeup? I still have a very, very hard time deciphering between the two, and you'll notice every time someone throws me an off-speed pitch, especially if it's low, most of the time I swing right through it and don't get a hit. I strike out so many times on changeups low, or curveball in the dirt, or slider in the dirt, something like that, just because for me it's very, very difficult to read that pitch, and I end up swinging much too early so I don't make contact with it. So it's definitely something that comes with practice at the plate. The more you play this game, the more you take pitches just to read them, the better off you're gonna be. And I don't follow that philosophy enough, especially when I'm doing bad, because like I said, for me personally, when I'm struggling at the plate, it just usually gets worse. And that's usually when I just turn the game off and come back another day, and hopefully have a little bit more patience then. What are some of the things that you guys do to get out of slumps? For me, like I said, it's just stepping away from the game. Sometimes just taking a break. You know, you lose some of that frustration level when you just walk away for a little while. Because a lot of times, like I said, when you get frustrated, you definitely swing at pitches you normally don't swing at. So taking a break sometimes helps, or going to do something different. Maybe put your pitcher on, or go to a franchise game or something like that. That definitely helps. And speaking of franchise, I haven't given up on the franchise. I've played one game so far, and it's been, what, a month? I know that's terrible. I'm not even sure what anybody else has been doing, if people have been playing their games or not. I have no idea. We might have to check that out one of these days on the live stream this week, and just see where the thinking thing's at. It's so difficult though, man. There's 30 people in the franchise to get everybody to play their games or to do stuff fairly. Like I've heard a few people complain that people have left games when they were getting beat, so it doesn't count. I mean, I don't even know how to police any of that stuff. I mean, there's so much lag in the online. How can I really say if someone left the game on purpose or if they just didn't lag out? So it's a very difficult situation to be put in right now. But we'll take a look at the standings and where people are at and how many people are actually playing games. I know there's some open spots, so if you do want them to play in the franchise still, just come to this live streams this week sometime, and I'm sure we'll play some franchise and invite some more people to the franchise. So if you had your hopes on getting in, you probably can, because I know there's a few people that have quit out. But alright guys, hopefully you guys had a nice 4th of July weekend. Live streams probably starting Tuesday night, so keep an eye out for that. I'll definitely be posting a few more MLB videos this week as well. And we will see you guys later this week. Thanks for watching. See you later. Peace. That's going to give his guys the first inning lead.